is the joy of any farmer. And every downpour, every rain, wetting the ground, preparing the ground for us. You can only imagine how happy I am now. This is the beginning of the draining season, the beginning of a new business season. The land is happy, the plants are happy, the farmer is happy, and the people in the village, city also will be happy now. God bless our efforts. Heavy downpour. I think we can start tilling the land. Not only tilling the land, what is on ground self now will be smiling. Everything will be smiling. You can only imagine how eager we are to start. But now we are ready to go. Glory to God Almighty. Welcome the new planting season 2022. Happy farming, bountiful harvest, and a safe season. God bless all of us. Amen.